Hello class 4, good morning everybody. Okay, now look at here everybody, today we are going to do exercise 2, okay, and from this exercise look at here question number 1, they are telling us find the first 5 multiple of 7, okay. So to find the first 5 multiple of 7, we need to know the table of 7. So what will be the first 5 multiple? Look at here, I am writing here table of 7, okay. So 1 times of 7 is 7, 2 times 7 is 14, right? So 3 times 7 is 21, 4 times 7 is 28, 5 times 7 is 35, okay? So 6 times 7 is 42, okay, and so on. So we don't need to write all the times of 7 here because we are trying to find the only first 5 multiple of 7. Okay. So this 7 is the first multiple of 7, 14 is the second multiple of 7, and 21 is the third multiple of 7, 28 is the fourth multiple of 7, and 35 is the fifth multiple of 7. We are telling to find us. Okay. We are telling this question is telling us to find only first 5 multiple of 7. So that's why we can write like this. The first 5 multiples of 7 are, so first 5 multiple is 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. So 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35 is the first 5 multiple of 7. This way you have to solve. You have to write. This question is telling us to find this much amount. Understood? It's very easy. There are many questions in question number 1. Here up to G. Okay. And I have done number A. Okay. And in number A, we have find it the first 5 multiple of 7, which is 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. Now in the same way, okay, I am doing number C also. Okay. Suppose in number C, there is number 10. Okay. So in number C, question is 10. That means we have to find out first 5 multiple of 7, not first 5 multiple of 10, not a 7, because 7 is a question number A. In question number C, okay, I am not doing question number B, I am doing question number C, and in question number C there is 10. So we have to find the first 5 multiple of 10. So look at here. Answer is the first 5 multiple of 10 are, so 1 times 10 is 10, so first multiple is 10, second multiple is 20 because 2 times 10 is 20, so 20 is the second multiple, right? So 3 times 10 is 30, so 30 is the third multiple, 40 is the fourth multiple, and 5 times 10 is 50, so 50 is the fifth multiple of 10. Very easy, okay? In the same way, look at here, in question number D there is 12, in number E 15, in number F there is 20 given number, isn't it? And in number G there is given 25 as a number. So like this you have to find, okay, first 5 multiple of that particular number which is given in the questions. Understood? It's very easy, you can easily do this. Okay, try to understand, okay, how I did. Look at this video at home and try to understand. Okay, and rest of the questions you have to do yourself. Try to do it yourself. Okay. And in the same way, if you see question number 2, look at here. In question number 2, there is this question is telling us check if the first number is a check if the first number is a multiple of the second number. Okay, we have to check. In number A there is 56 and 7. Look at here, I am writing question number 2. You are telling us in question number 2. Question number 2 is check if the first number is a multiple of the second number. Okay, and look at here in question number A there is 56 and 7. Two number is given here. Okay, the first number is 56 and second number is 7. You need to understand the questions properly. Okay, look at here. Check if the first number is what? 56 is a multiple of the second number. Second number is 7. Multiple of second number. That means is first number is a multiple of second number or not? We have to find out that. So for that we need to know the table of second number. Okay, so second number is 7. So look at it, I have written here. Already I have written here table of second number, which is 7 here, right? So 6 times 7 is 42 and 7 times 7 is 49. Look at it, 8 times 7 is 56. 56 is here. That means they are telling us to check if the first number is a multiple of second number. So first number is 56 and in the table of 7 there is 56. 8 times 7 is 56. That means 56 is the multiple of 7 by 8 times. Okay, so we can write, okay, 56 is the, you can write this way, 56 is the multiple of 7, okay, by 8 times. This way you have it. It's very easy. Okay, 56 is the first number. Okay, and 7 is the second number. 56 is the multiple of 7 by 8 times. Because if you see the table of 7, 8 times of 7 is 56. Understood? Very easy. Try to understand. And there are many questions in this question number 2 also. Up to F. There is given up to F. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions up to F here. Okay. Now look at here. I am doing number C. Okay. Look at here. I am doing number C also. In number C there is 73 and 9. Okay. Here we have to find out. Okay. We have to show that this first number is 73 and second number is 9. Okay. We have to find out this first number is multiple of 9 or not, because 9 is the second number. First number is 73. So for that we need to know the table of 9. Okay. Look at here. What is the table of 9? 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Isn't it? So 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. So 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. And 10 times 9 is 90. Now look at here, there is 73 as a first number which is given in the questions. Look at here in the table of 9, is there 73 in any factor of 9? No, because there is 72 which is the nearest smaller number than 73, and after that there is 81. That means no 73. There is no any factor of 73 as a factor 73 of in the table of 9. That means we can easily say this first number is not a multiple of second number, which is 9. Okay, so answer, okay, 73 you can write like this, 73. Either you can write 73 is not a multiple of 9, or you can write first number is not a multiple of second number. You can write like this also. Okay, 73 is not a multiple of 9, because 73 is not in the table of 9, right? So we cannot say 73 is the multiple of 9. This way you have to do. But one thing you must remember while doing these types of problem, you need to know the table of second number, because we are going to find out the multiple of second number, isn't it? So this way, number A and C I have done here. The rest of the questions you have to do yourself in number 2. Okay. Okay, now look at here. I am going to write question number 3 as well. Question number 3 is, write the multiple of multiples of 6. Okay, write the multiple of, I am writing question number A now. 6 that are greater than 40 and smaller than . Okay, this is the question number A. They are telling to write the multiples of 6. 6, that means we need to know the table of 6. Okay, multiple of 6 that are greater than 40 and smaller than 60. That means between 40 and 60. Okay, between 40 and 60 we have to find the multiple of 6. Okay, for that as you know that I already told you in question number 1 and 2. Okay, whatever number is given there, to find the multiple of that particular number. Okay, first of all we need to know the table of that number. So what will be the table of 6? So 1 times 6 is 6, 2 times 6 is 12, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 6 is 24, 5 times 6 is 30, 6 times 6 is 36, 7 times 6 is 42. Okay, and 8 times 6 is 48, and 9 times 6 is 54, and 10 times 6 is 60. Okay, now look at here, try to understand. Okay, look at here and try to understand 6 that are greater than 40 and smaller than 60. Okay, write the multiple of 6. Okay, multiple of 6 which is greater than 40 and is okay, which is greater than 40 and smaller than 60. Okay, 40 greater than 40. Okay, there is 42. Okay, 40 is between 36 and 42, right? And 60 is here. So between 36 and 42 there is 40, and greater than 40 and smaller than 60. 54, 48 and 42 is smaller than 60. Okay, which is the multiple of 6. 42 is 7 times, 48 is 8 times, and 54 is 9 times of 6. So these all are 42, 48, 54 is smaller multiple of 6 than 60, and greater than 40, because after 40 there will be 42, 48, 54 and then 60. No, so between 40 and 60, how many multiples of 6? 1, 2, 3. That means we can say as an answer you have to write multiple of 6. Okay, multiples of 6 that are greater than 40 and smaller than 60 are how many multiples between 40 and 60? 42, 48 and 54. So you can write 42, 48 and 54, right? This was very easy. Okay, this way there is 4 questions in question number 3, A, B, C, D. Okay, number A I have done here, B, C and D you have to do yourself. Okay, class 4. Okay, now question number 4, ring the numbers that are multiple of both 1 and 2. There are given many questions. Okay, okay, I'm writing question number 4 also. Okay, did you understand these questions? It's very easy. Okay, try to understand. If any problem you can ask me. Okay. Now let's start question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Question number 4 is bring the numbers that are multiples of multiples of both 1 and 2. Okay, there is 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 15, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, read the numbers that are multiples of both 1 and 2. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1, so that means 1 is the, we are going to find out the multiple of both 1 and 2. Okay, mind it, 1 and 2, we are going to find out the multiple of 1 and 2. So first of all, look at here, there is 1. 1 is in the table of 1 because 1 times 1 is 1, that means this 1 is the multiple of 1, so we can ring it this way. Okay, and 2. 2 also multiple of 1 and multiple of 2 also. Okay, sorry. Telling to us, we have to write the multiple of both 1 and 2. Okay, the number, we have to read that number only, which is the multiple of both 1 and 2. So look at here, 1. 1 times 1 is 1, but this 1 is not a multiple of 2 because 1 times 2 is 2, right? But 2 is the multiple of both 1 and 2 because 2 times 1 is 2 and 1 times 2 is 2. So, okay, we have to read this number, okay, multiple of 1 and 2. Look at it, 4. 4 times 1 is 4 and 2 times 2 is 4. So this 4 also multiple of both 1 and 2. Okay. So we have to ring it 5. 5 is the multiple of 1. Right? Because 5 times 1 is 5, but this number is not a multiple of 2 because there is no 5 in the table of 2. Right? So we cannot ring it because this is not a multiple of both the number. Okay, 1 and 2. This is multiple of 1 only. 8. 8 is multiple of 1 and 2 both because 8 times 1 is 8 and 4 times 2 is 8. So this is the multiple of both the number 1 and 2. So we have to ring it. Okay, ring the number. 10 also multiple of 1 and 2 both because 10 times 1 is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, multiple of 1 and 2 both. But 15 is not a multiple of 2. Okay, 15 is a multiple of 1 but is not a multiple of 2. 16 is multiple of 1 and 2 both. Okay, because 16 times 1 is 16 and 8 times 2 is 16. 18 also multiple of 1 and 2 both because 18 times 1 is 18 and 9 times 2 is 9 times 2 also 18. Okay, so we have to ring 18 as well, and 20 also is the multiple of 1 and 2 both. Okay. So this way, this 2, 4, 8, 10, 15, 16, 18 and 20, we found this number as a multiple of 1 and 2 both. So that's why I have read it. Understood? But 1, 5, 1 and 5, these two number is not a multiple. Sorry, 15 also is not a multiple of 2, no. So we cannot ring it. Okay. So 1, 5 and 15, these three number is not a multiple of 2. Okay, that's why we cannot ring it, but 2, 4, 8, 10, 16, 18 and 20 is the multiple of both 1 and 2. So we must ring it. Understood? This way you have to do. Okay, in question number 5, ring the smaller number that are multiple of both 3 and 5. That is given in question number 5 also there are given many numbers. You have to find out the multiple of 3 and 5. Okay, you have to do yourself. There are many questions. Okay, I will give you as a homework. You must do at home. First of all, watch this video properly. Okay, and try to understand. And rest of the questions you have to do yourself. Understood? Thank you. Thanks for watching.